Hello, my dear friends. It's great to see you today. My name is Rob. You are watching FLtv, and I am currently enjoying a nice, hot cup of coffee before heading out to visit some more friends and drop off some more art supplies today. I am really excited to see what our artists create. The possibilities are endless. If you'd like some inspiration, here's Abby with a great tutorial on a project you could do using the paper and crayons in your quarantine activity pack. Take it away, Abby.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a design using leaves. First, you're going to want to find a crayon and peel off the wrapper part of it. You can use any leaf you want, and you're going to want to flip it so it's the back side of the leaf and then put it underneath your piece of paper. You're going to hold your paper still and grab your crayon and then just press it on and color. And yeah, this will be what it looks like when you're done.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Awesome! That was so cool. Thank you very much, Abby. Okay, friends, have fun making your art, and remember to stay safe. Wash those hands, wear a mask if you go out in public to collect leaves, and remember to stay at least 6 feet away from anyone who doesn't live with you. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you soon. Bye!